Hey Griffin, so today is going to be the first day of your computer science work. Now, I know it's kind of odd that you don't have a computer in front of you, but we're going to do the best that we can to be able to code by hand, okay? But I'm going to show you how the programs look in the computer so you can do just exactly the same on your paper, okay? So for the first assignment you're going to be doing is working on functions, okay? And specifically creating your own functions given a situation, okay? So let's go over the syntax and review the syntax of a function. When I create a function, I always start with var, okay? The name of the function comes next, so I'm just going to put my name equals, okay? And then we use our constructor, it's called function. You put some parentheses in, okay? And remember, you put your function within these brackets with a semicolon at the end, okay? So this is how you create like the structure of your function, okay? Now we can also put stuff on the inside here on lines 2 and 3 if you want to make the function do things, right? And one of your examples, okay, it has you create a function where it's a blue rectangle, okay? So I'm going to do that example for us here, okay? So I'm going to delete all of this. We're going to start brand new. So I want to create a function that creates a blue rectangle at a specific location at a specific width and length, and it has a color, right? So I'm going to start with var. I'm going to put, let's call it blue rect, okay, equals. That's the name of my function. I need to put the words function, my parentheses, sorry, and then my blocks here, okay? I'll close it off. Actually, I'll just keep it like this for now. So now we need a color for the function. So I'm going to put my fill. Okay, remember fill, make sure it gets a color here. I'm going to change it to blue. On your packet, you can just write the words blue on the inside here, okay? You're also going to create a rectangle here. And your first inputs are going to be the x and y. So I'm going to put it at 100, 100 for my x and y. I'm going to say I want my width and height to be 200, 200. Remember, you always put a semicolon at the end of your lines. I close my function with a bracket and another semicolon, right? Now, that's what you'll be doing for this activity, but notice when I call this function up, okay, it's going to create me a nice blue rectangle here in my console, okay? You're focusing on getting this part correctly, okay? Because if you can get this part correct, then this one is a lot easier just to call it up, okay? So go ahead, you're going to be doing that same thing. There's some structures for you on your packet, okay? It gives you some like boxes here to be able to do it, as well as when you get down here towards the end of the problems, you're going to be making your own from scratch, okay? Go ahead, get started. Good luck.